Alright, this is going to be a little different. This is a DIY video, mainly because I looked up, and the Facebook page is helpful for these cars. I think it's like 2011 to 17, something other like that. Whatever the PPV Caprice is, it is a government vehicle, so it was never issued for public use. So there's a little gray, or a little more gray areas than, you know, common vehicles. So this video is going to be removing the rear door panel right here, on the fact that the interior door handle is useless, locked, unlocked, anything. It's basically disconnected. So it's really simple. You take the door panel off, and there's a rod or a cable back there with a little ball. You just pop the ball in the hole, and you're good to go. So give you a little lowdown on this. You do not need many tools. This is optional. You're going to see me do it the way I do it. I usually just take my hands and pop all of them. There may be casualties. You'll have that. Oh well. Really and truly, a Phillips head screwdriver, Philippe, something, a little pick or a small flathead. Well, you see, this little square piece is already gone from this side, but hold on one second. Pew! But if intact, there's the little square trim piece right there that covers that T25, about fell, Torx, whatever you want to call it. I call it Torx. T25 Torx. Rachan, undo him. This fella right here is a trim piece. It's not for the faint of heart to pop out. If you're squeamish, don't do it. Oh, clip popped out of mine. You'll have that. But I'll pop that little filler back on there. He's right there intact. Put him on there with a little glue. You'll have that. Take my time. I won't do nothing like that. I won't be so bad with the door panel. Let me get a light on this subject. That's good to go. Press back on there. Won't be no issue. It'll clip and hold on there. Good as anything. Right up in there is a little Phillips screwdriver bit. One down here, one right there, and one right there. So 4 Phillips screws to get it off, and that one Torx screw, and then prying around the edge and everything to you know, with the little bar or with your hands like I'm gonna do, break a bunch of clips, like I'll probably do. But already off to a good start. But no, that's fine. It's good to go. So here we go. Let's do some prying. 4 Phillips screws and 1 T25 Torx, and they'll be off there. I also forgot to mention, this video is going to be too long for how boring it is, so I'm using tools to make it faster. Like I said, those are the needed tools to use. These are the ones I'm going to use. I can tear more stuff up with power tools. This little fella right here. There's that. And the Torx screw. That's taking too long. Good. This just pulls out straight at the top, just like that little clip I broke. Wow, ain't being so easy as the last one. Try from over here and get one that way. There we go. Real tight. There we go. All right, come to me now. This little fella right here is what you was looking for, and he goes do right here. Once again, I need a light on the situation. But right there in that little socket, here, I'll pull the handle. And that little socket right there, see if I can do it while holding the camera. It's gonna be hard. Should have took my wife up on that camera girl position a minute ago. Alright. Let me get this set up. Hold on. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. If I can't do but two things at once. And breathing and not putting in this clip is the two things I can do. Let's see. I really don't need to show you on film because this is gonna confuse you more than it is help you. Let's see. See? Popped in there. Now you just pull this little guy to right there. Make sure he don't fly out. And there you go. You got a handle that pulls that. I'm sorry for the shakiness of the video. I got myself in a hard position right here, but you'll have that. That's how to remove the door panel and fix the interior door handle on these PPVs. Let me turn it around. There we go. Back on the tripod, not in my shaky hands. And she's on there. Let's put the screws back on. On, what you want to call it? There's one. There's screw two. Screw C. That screw there. Torch right on. And the piece that I broke first. Let's see if it really goes in there, if I'm just running my mouth. Good to go. That's what it's like to be in the back of a cop car. Except I don't know how many have car seats in the back of them. But this is what we wanted to accomplish. Not with the door lock though. I can get out of the car. Door panel's on. Everything's nice and firm. I didn't break too much stuff, so there it is. It's really not a quality video, but it's a how-to and it'll get the job done video. Thank you. Like, subscribe to Reckless Garage. Hopefully more fun stuff coming up soon.